don't you miss middle school science? I don't think I've used a graduated cylinder or a Bunsen burner since. My name is Paul Pazolka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com, and today we're going to look at Test 6, Section 4, number 33, which reads, a laboratory supply company produces graduated cylinders, each with an internal radius of 2 inches and an internal height between 7.75 and 8 inches. What is one possible value, rounded to the nearest cubic inch, of a graduated cylinder produced by the company? Now, what you could do is you could do this equation twice, but I think that what makes sense is just to figure it out with a solid 8 inches so you don't have to mess with the decimals, even though you could use your calculator, and then just round down because it says rounded to the nearest cubic inch. So if you forgot the formula for a cylinder, don't fret. It's on the first page of every single math section, Section 3 and Section 4. And you can see it's just pi r squared times height. Here it is right here. Volume equals pi r squared times height. If you notice, area of a rectangle's length times width, volume of a solid rectangle's length times width times height. So volume is just area times height. Area for a circle, pi r squared. Volume of a cylinder, pi r squared times height. Okay. So we shuffle back to our question here. And a little bit more. And we see that if we do pi r squared times height, and now we're going to use for the radius 2, so pi times 2 squared, and we're going to use for the height 8. And keep in mind that we've got to round to the nearest cubic inch, so you've got pi times 4 times 8, and 4 times 8 is 32, so it's 32 pi. And remember, we've got to round down, and you're going to have a pi button on your calculator. I don't believe I do on this high-tech computer calculator, but I'm just going to do 32 times 3.14 to get an approximate value. It's 100.48, so you could round down to 100 and bubble that in. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You could share it with someone who has trouble with formula problems or is not aware that the formulas are in the beginning, or someone who misses middle school science. If there's any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. And click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.